Good morning, students. Here I am again to discuss with you the roles of women in the society. We all know that a woman plays many roles in the society. She is a mother, daughter, sister, daughter in law, and a woman in the society. So, here I am going to discuss a poem with you, My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. But the most sentimental, sweet, and complex role of a daughter is her relation with the mother. They are having the most connected relationship. They don't want to get separated from each other. A daughter wants the love and bond with her mother. So, in this poem, Kamla Das captures the complex subtleties of human relationships because she loves her mother a lot. Kamla Das was born in 1934 in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. So, meanings of some difficult words are versatility, flexibility, ability, indigenous, native, original, foremost, leading, primary. The poem My Mother at 66 is based on the theme of advancing age and the fear of loss and separation associated with her mother. Now, Kamla Das explains her own experience. This is an autobiographical poem. In this, she is telling that once when she had gone to her parents' home and the time had come for her departure, at that time she was becoming sentimental. Her mother was going to see of her to Cochin airport. So, while going in the car, her mother was sitting beside her. She was dozing with open mouth. Here she compares her mother's face to the late winter's moon and the corpse. Ashes of the corpse. Ashes of the corpse means ashes of the dead body. Then she saw that her face looked pale and faded like ashes. She gives an image of passivity, decay, and death. Now Kamla Das becomes upset to see her mother's lifeless and dull face. That is why, to get out of that thought, she starts looking outside. But what she sees? She sees the young trees sprinting. It means the young trees were running towards the past. And the merry children spilling out of their homes. It means happy children are coming out of their homes. So here she presents the contrast. Old mother, young trees. Merry or happy children, sad and dull mother. So she becomes happy to see the scene outside. After that, they reach the airport and they have to go under a security check at the airport. And after the security check, standing a few yards away, she looks again at her mother's face and she compares her mother's face to the late winter's moon. Now she thinks that her mother's face looked weak, faded, like late winter's moon. Now, late winter's moon lacks shine, brightness, and energy. Similarly, her mother's dull and lifeless face was having no energy, no brightness. That is why she compares her mother's face to the late winter's moon. And then the poetess feel the old familiar ache or pain. Which kind of ache or pain? Which was well known? It was her childhood fear. Fear of losing her mother. Fear of aging and separation. She thinks that due to old age, her mother meet her death any time and she might meet her again or not. That is why the fear of aging and separation returns to her mind. But she controls her emotions. She bids farewell to her mother by saying, "See you soon, Amma," and smile and smile and smile. Now she smiles so much just to hide her emotions, her feelings from her mother. Moreover, she wants to assure her that everything will be alright. So, she doesn't show her emotions and bids farewell with a smile. Now, the literary devices used in the poem are the imagery used in the poem is suggestive of both decay and youth. The image of young trees and merry children are a contrast to the old and dull mother. Number 3. Simile. Face ashen like that of a corpse and as a late winter's moon. Personification. Now trees have been attributed with humanly qualities. That is why trees sprinting is showing personification. Last is repetition. Smile and smile and smile. 3 times smiles, repetition has been given to show that she was very sentimental and she wanted to hide her emotions from her mother. It gives the message to build strong relationship with the elders and to take care of them. Thank you very much.